You're welcome to another exciting episode full of opportunities on events update. This program is brought to you by the Association of African Universities, and it is all about upcoming higher education events and scholarship opportunities for African scholars. My name is Esther Yaira Mensah. Now let's get into it. The Association of African Universities, AAU, invites all higher education institutions across the continent to commemorate African Universities Day this November. The celebration, marking 57 years of the AAU's service to Africa's higher education sector, will span a week from Monday, November 11 to Friday, November 15, 2024, under the theme, Educate an African Fit for the 21st Century, Building Resilient Education Systems for Increased Access to Inclusive, Lifelong, Quality and Relevant Learning in Africa. This year's activities spotlight the African Year of Education, reflecting the African Union's dedication to education as a central focus in 2024. This key annual event brings together academic leaders, policymakers, students, and experts to address challenges and opportunities in African higher education. The event will be hosted virtually on the AAU Zoom platform, streamed live on Facebook and YouTube, and will feature high-level panel discussions, keynote speeches, and interactive sessions. African universities are encouraged to mark the occasion on their campuses with seminars, debates, and exhibitions, or join the AAU's planned activities. Register now via the link on your screen and be part of the vital conversation on advancing education for Africa's future. The AAU Continental Social Media Workshop is set to take place from November 25th to 27th in Dakar, Senegal. The three-day event, organized by the Association of African Universities, aims to bridge the gap among African higher education institutions in social media use. This workshop is designed to equip participants with the skills and insights needed to harness social media effectively within the educational sector. By enhancing digital engagement strategies, the workshop seeks to help institutions expand their reach, improve communication with students and stakeholders, and drive positive transformations across campuses. This initiative aligns with the AAU's mission to foster stronger networks and collaborations across African higher education landscape, ensuring that institutions can remain competitive and relevant in today's digital world. The workshop offers a range of expert-led discussions, interactive sessions, and practical activities designed to enhance participants' social media proficiency. Attendees will gain hands-on experience with social media tools and strategies, empowering them to implement impactful social media campaigns at their institutions. In addition to learning opportunities, the workshop offers a chance for networking with peers from various African universities, facilitating cross-institutional collaborations and knowledge sharing. For more information, visit the link on your screen and secure your spot by registering. The Association of African Universities, in partnership with the University of Dar es Salaam, is hosting the 2024 Contemporary Legal Issues in Higher Education Training Program from December 3rd to 5th in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. This year's theme, Artificial Intelligence, Data Protection, and 21st Century Higher Education Institutions in Africa, highlights emerging legal concerns that universities face as they adopt new technologies. Participants will explore the implications of data protection legislation, artificial intelligence, and intellectual property laws on higher education governance. Tailored for higher education stakeholders, including institutional leaders, policymakers, lawyers, data scientists, IT professionals, and academics. This program aims to equip participants with critical knowledge to navigate today's complex legal environment. With expert-led facilitators, participants will gain valuable insight through presentations, case studies, and interactive sessions. The AAU will offer English-French interpretation services and support with visa invitation letters for international participants. Registration is open for AAU member institutions and non-members, which covers training materials, meals, and certificates. Secure your spot today by registering at the link on your screen.
Explore a whole new world of exciting visuals with AAU TV. Get ready for a mix of interesting talk shows, interviews, discovery documentaries, and news on AAU TV. It's not just about watching TV, it's about experiencing something special. AAU TV reaches over 25 countries in Africa, bringing you a blend of knowledge and fun. Learn about different cultures as you enjoy the shows. If you have events or want to showcase your business, we've got you covered. Watch AAU TV free-to-air channel on satellite. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly known as Twitter, at AAU TV. Reach out on call or WhatsApp us at +233 26 629 6601 or +233 20 399 5210. AAU TV, the voice of higher education in Africa.
Hello Africa is a live breakfast show that aims to give you, our viewers, an informative, entertaining, and energizing start to your day. This isn't just another news show. It takes the form of vibrant magazine packed with news reviews, lifestyle features, engaging interviews, and interactive segments that put you at the center of the action. All you have to do is grab your coffee, get comfortable, and join us for the Hello Africa morning show.
We are here to kickstart your day with the news and stories that matter to you, alongside all the fun and inspiration we crave.
Every morning, join us for
the latest headlines in African higher education, science, and
quick and informative newspaper and online news review.
Lifestyle tips on fitness, nutrition, fashion, and beauty.
Inspiring interviews with influential figures and everyday heroes.
Performances and interactive contests, and so much more.
In Ethiopia, Salaam, Africa.
In North Africa, Alan, Africa.
In Swahili, Jambo Africa.
Tune in every Monday from 8 a.m. to 10 o'clock GMT. Join us to make it a fantastic day together.
Hello Africa, your daily connection to the continent.
You're still watching Events Updates on AAU TV. Follow our social media platforms at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube to watch all episodes and to access the links to these opportunities. Moving on. Carnegie Mellon University in Qatar, CMU-Q, is offering exciting faculty and postdoctoral positions in artificial intelligence, theoretical computer science, machine learning, deep learning, and computational biology. These positions, beginning in August 2025, are ideal for candidates looking to enhance their teaching and research portfolios for future academic roles. Responsibilities include teaching support, student mentoring, and research collaboration with CMU-Q faculty or local partners. CMU-Q offers competitive, tax-free salaries alongside benefits covering relocation, housing, transportation, and healthcare, making this an attractive opportunity for aspiring academics. Located in Qatar's education city, Carnegie Mellon University in Qatar offers a unique experience where faculty engage in diverse, multicultural environment alongside several other top American and European universities. The university values diversity and inclusion and invites applications from individuals who will enrich its community. Candidates should have completed PhD in computer science or related fields, a strong research record, and excellent communication skills. Applications will be reviewed starting November 1st and can be submitted via Interfolio. For more information and to apply, visit the link on your screen. Applications are now open for the 2025-2026 Leadership and Advocacy for Women in Africa LAWA Fellowship Program in Georgetown University Law Center in Washington, D.C. This esteemed program, founded in 1993, is dedicated to training African women's human rights lawyers who are committed to advancing the rights of women and girls in their home countries. Fellows will complete a Master of Laws LLM degree focusing on women's human rights and engage in a rigorous academic curriculum that includes a thesis of publishable quality. The fellowship spans approximately 14 months from July of the first year through August of the following year, with coursework commencing in July 2025. Eligible candidates must be African women's rights lawyers holding an LLB or equivalent degree, with a preference for those who do not already have a master's degree. Applicants are expected to cover additional expenses. Funding options are available. Candidates must demonstrate strong English language skills and a commitment to returning home to advocate for women's rights. Applications, including essays, resume, recommendations, and transcripts, should be submitted to morrisonjc@georgetown.edu by January 17, 2025. For more details, visit the link on your screen. Applications are now open for the 2025-2026 John 9th Journalism Fellowship at Stanford University. This 9-month program brings together up to 20 journalists from around the world, offering them the opportunity to tackle journalism's most pressing challenges. Selected fellows will have access to individualized coaching, workshops, and the intellectual resources of Stanford University, all designed to enhance leadership resilience and foster transformative change in journalism. Eligible applicants must have at least 5 years of full-time journalism experience and a commitment to remaining in the field. Benefits include a stipend, health insurance, and access to Stanford Worldwide JSK Alumni Network. Applications close on December 4, 2024. Visit the link on your screen for more information. That is all for this episode. Thank you for watching. This program is brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Don't forget to follow our social media handles at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube, and AAU TV Official on Instagram. My name is Esther Yaira Mensah. See you next time.